good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Rick Reed here with the Quick Duck Buck program, the Quick Duck Buck Flyer. Okay, this gives you the potential of earning $100, $200, or $300 in 5 books of stamps sent directly to your mailbox. And all you simply do is go to your mailbox and collect your cash and your stamps. Okay, this is how the program works. Okay, you're gonna have, this is what I call first movers advantage. Okay, because there's no one in box 2 and no one in box 3. This is the company here. All right, when you get started, you can print this flyer out. You can go to cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Click on Quick Duck Buck and print this flyer out. When you print the flyer out, this is the instruction there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna send $100, $200, or $300 to Champion Discount here in box 1. You can give us a call here, 346-704-1754. Again, 346-704-1754. Okay, again, this is what I call first movers advantage because there's no one else here. Now, when you get started, you're gonna send $100, $200, $300 in 5 books of stamps. Your name gonna go in box number 2. All right. Now, the company gonna be mailing out flyers, and you're gonna be mailing out flyers. When someone gets started from you, you're gonna move to box number 3 on their flyer, and they're gonna move to box number 2 on their own flyer. Right here, people, on box number 3 is where you get a residual income of $100, $200, $300, and 5 books of stamps. The reason I included the stamps into the program is so now you have to spend less money on stamps. Okay, if you're getting 400 or 500 stamps, now you can resend your flyers to those people, and it's not costing you anything but a trip to the post office and to get copies of your flyer. Okay, it is as simple as that. Go down here, put your name, your address, city, state, phone number, email address. Look, I need you to have a phone number, email address so we can call to make sure we get the right information, because some of you are excited when you call and I barely can understand what you're saying. Okay, so I just want to call just to verify everything that you're saying you want to do and where you want to get started. All right, also your flyers will be emailed to you. Your marketing kit will be emailed to you. Okay, the only thing you will get in the mail would be your leads. We will send your leads to you. Now, if you get started at the $100, you're going to get 50 leads and $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. If you get started at the $200 level, you're going to get 150 leads on fill and stick label. You're going to get 2 $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. If you start at the 300 level, we're going to send you 300 leads and 3 each, $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. People, this is amazing. Have you seen how much groceries is going up now? Okay, my story is I went to Walmart, went grocery shopping, came up to like $198. Once I gave them my grocery coupons, people, I saved over $100 on my groceries. I had enough money left for me to go get a pedicure, manicure that same day, people. That's exciting because groceries is going up big time. And this is what you do, all right? You're gonna send box number 1, cash only, okay, and 5 books of stamps. Okay, you're gonna send the person in box number 2 the cash amount that you're starting with, again, like if it's the 1, 2, and 300, okay, and 5 books of stamps. Okay, box number 3, again, You're gonna send them the cash amount and 5 books of stamp. Again, box number 3 is a residual income, people. A residual income on your part where you get paid over and over again. It's like your phone, your cell phone. You went in there, got your cell phone, right? Okay, you paid them, and each month they don't have to call you to see if you're gonna pay. They make a residual income of whatever you started off with your plan for your cell phone. Again, you can see the Quick Duck flyer at cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Just click on it, print it out, mail it in, and we look forward to hearing from you. Now, the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit, you'll receive that with this particular package as well. With that marketing kit, I'm telling you people, it is so amazing. I get 5,000 stamps for $500. 5,000 stamps for $500. Don't know where else you can beat those prices, okay? In that marketing kit, also have where I get my flyers made. I can get like 3,000 flyers for like $110 for like 3,000 flyers. It'll be black and white, but you get to pick your color of your paper. I normally use green or yellowish color, okay? And I'm telling you people, they're so beautiful. Look at the artwork that's on here, gonna capture people's attention. Again, go to cashcowprogram.com, cashcowprogram.com. You can look for the Quick Duck Buck flyer or any of the other flyers that we have on there. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is, where you are. Give me a call, 346-704-1754, 346-704-1754 is the number. Give us a call. When you call again, please leave your name, phone number, best time to call you back, and what flyer you're looking for. Please speak clearly and slowly so the operators can get your information and we get the information out to you as soon as possible. Have a great day, evening, night. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get. Get that mailbox cash money now.